For centuries, gold and silver have held a special place in the global economy, representing wealth, stability, and investment opportunities. These two precious metals have weathered financial storms, wars, and paradigm shifts in technology, remaining integral to human societies. Today, the dynamics of their value are once again in the spotlight as inflation looms and economic uncertainty grows. While gold continues to dominate as a premier asset, silver has quietly positioned itself as a more accessible alternative with tremendous potential. In this script, we will dive into the unique roles and opportunities that gold and silver offer, with a special emphasis on silver's evolving significance. Gold has always been synonymous with wealth and stability. Known as a safe haven, it has outperformed many other asset classes during times of economic uncertainty. Even today, central banks around the world hold significant gold reserves, underlining its enduring importance. However, gold's position as a premier asset comes with a price, quite literally. Its high value per ounce often makes it inaccessible to many retail investors. For instance, as gold moves towards prices like $3,000 per ounce in the current economic cycle, many individuals feel priced out of the market. This creates a gap, an opportunity, and a challenge. How can investors preserve their wealth in precious metals without breaking the bank? This is where silver steps in. While gold garners the spotlight, silver quietly offers an affordable alternative for those seeking to diversify their portfolios with tangible assets. When gold becomes too expensive, silver's relative affordability shines. Even when premiums on physical silver coins and bars are higher, sometimes as much as 50% to 60% above spot prices, silver remains within reach for most investors. For example, at a gold price of $3,000 per ounce, silver trading at $50 per ounce appears exceedingly cheap, especially when you consider their historical price ratio. For beginners, the simplest entry into the silver market is buying physical coins or bars. Trusted mints and well-known dealers offer a variety of options, allowing investors to get their hands on a tangible, timeless asset. Having silver in physical form offers not just financial security, but also a deeper connection to the silver market and its storied history. Silver's use as currency dates back over 5,000 years, longer than gold in many regions. Ancient civilizations relied on silver for daily transactions, using it as a medium of exchange across empires and trade routes. Remarkably, the word silver is synonymous with money in more than 14 languages, reflecting its deeply ingrained economic role. This historical precedent persisted well into the modern era. For example, the US included silver in its coinage until the late 1960s, when rising industrial demand and declining silver supplies led to its removal. Today, we live in what some economists call an anomaly, a period where silver is no longer part of our monetary systems. This shift has made it difficult for many people to grasp silver's historic significance and its potential to reclaim its place as a store of value. One of the most dangerous pitfalls for investors is recency bias, the tendency to assume that future trends will mirror recent past performance. Over the last few decades, stocks and bonds have dominated financial markets, leading many to underestimate the potential of commodities like silver. However, the global economy is shifting. Inflation is rising, supply chains are under strain, and the era of easy monetary policy is coming to an end. Historical patterns suggest that commodities, including silver, tend to outperform during periods of inflation and economic turbulence. By recognizing this shift early and taking steps to invest in silver, forward-thinking investors can position themselves for the opportunities ahead. One of the most compelling arguments for silver lies in its price potential. Analysts often reference historical ratios to estimate future prices. Historically, the gold-to-silver ratio has averaged between 55.1 and 60.1 over the last 20 years. However, during periods of silver bull markets, this ratio can drop dramatically. For example, in 1980, when silver reached its all-time high of $50 per ounce, the gold-to-silver ratio dropped to 15.1. If gold were to rise to $5,000 per ounce in a future bull market, a 15:1 ratio would imply a silver price of approximately $333 per ounce. Another interesting metric is the ratio of the average US home price to the price of silver. In 1980, this ratio also peaked at approximately $1,400. Using today's average home price of $450,000, a similar ratio would yield a silver price of around $320 per ounce. While these projections are not guarantees, they highlight the potential for silver to experience significant price appreciation during future economic cycles. One of silver's unique characteristics is its dual demand structure. Unlike gold, which is primarily valued as a store of wealth, silver has substantial industrial and investment demand. Approximately 54% to 55% of silver demand comes from industrial applications, including electronics, solar panels, and medical devices. The remaining 45% to 50% of demand comes from investment uses, such as coins, bars, jewelry, and silverware. For many investors, this dual demand offers a level of diversification not found in gold or other precious metals. Silver's unique physical properties make it indispensable in modern industries. Silver is the most conductive metal for both electricity and heat, making it a critical component in electronic devices, circuit boards, and electrical contacts. The push for renewable energy has significantly increased silver demand. Solar panels use silver in their photovoltaic cells, and as the world transitions to green energy, this demand is expected to grow. Silver's antimicrobial properties have been known for centuries. It is used in medical devices, wound dressings, and water purification systems to kill bacteria and maintain hygiene. These applications highlight silver's irreplaceable role in modern technology and its continued relevance in a rapidly changing world. While silver has the potential to reach significant price peaks, sustaining those levels may prove challenging. The industrial market, which relies on silver for its unique properties, would likely resist sustained high prices, as it would disrupt supply chains and increase costs. Historically, silver has experienced sharp price spikes during bull markets, followed by corrections. For instance, in 1980, silver briefly reached $50 per ounce before retreating. This pattern suggests that while silver may achieve triple-digit prices during peak phases, such levels are unlikely to persist long-term. Silver's antimicrobial properties have been a cornerstone of its value for thousands of years. Unlike antibiotics, which bacteria can develop resistance to over time, silver continues to kill bacteria effectively. Examples of its medical applications include: silver is used in filters to ensure clean drinking water. Surgical instruments and wound dressings often incorporate silver to prevent infections. In some cultures, silver coins were placed in barrels of wine or water to keep them fresh, a testament to silver's enduring utility. This versatility ensures that silver will remain an essential material in healthcare and hygiene for years to come. Gold may reign as the king of precious metals, but silver is its industrious, versatile counterpart. A metal with both a storied past and an exciting future. As inflation rises and economic uncertainty grows, silver offers an accessible and dynamic opportunity for investors seeking to diversify their portfolios. Whether you are drawn by its historical role as money, its industrial applications, or its price potential, silver is a metal worth paying attention to. By understanding its dual demand, unique properties, and historical trends, you can position yourself to benefit from the opportunities silver presents in the years ahead. In a world where both gold and silver shine brightly, Silver is the metal that bridges affordability and innovation, making it a truly compelling choice for the future.